Hi everyone! Are you trying to edit a video in Clipchamp, but the preview window just keeps buffering? It's that frustrating spinning circle that stops you from getting any work done. You're ready to create, but the technology is holding you back. Well, don't worry. In this video, we are going to explore several simple and effective fixes to solve those annoying buffering issues for good, so you can get back to editing smoothly. First, let's look at the most common cause, your internet connection. Clipchamp is a browser-based editor, which means it relies heavily on a stable and fast internet connection. Start by running an internet speed test to see what you're working with. If your connection seems slow, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router for a stronger signal. For the best results, we highly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection. Plugging your computer directly into your router provides a much more stable and faster connection than wireless. Also, try to limit other internet activity in your household while you're editing. Ask family members to pause any large downloads or 4K video streaming, as this can take up a lot of your bandwidth. Next, let's optimize your web browser. Since Clipchamp runs inside it, an unhealthy browser can cause performance problems. A great first step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, this stored data can become cluttered and slow things down. You can find this option in your browser's settings, usually under Privacy or History. Also, ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. Clipchamp is officially recommended for use on Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, so if you are using a different browser, switching to one of these can often solve the problem instantly. Another critical step is to free up your computer's resources. Video editing is a demanding task. If you have dozens of other browser tabs or applications running in the background, your computer is splitting its power, leaving less for Clipchamp. Before you start an editing session, close all unnecessary programs and browser tabs. This will dedicate more of your computer's RAM and CPU power directly to the editing process, resulting in smoother playback. You should also check a specific setting in your browser called hardware acceleration. Make sure this is enabled. It allows the browser to use your computer's graphics card to handle video, which significantly reduces buffering. Finally, consider the files you're working with. Very large video files, especially 4K footage, can be tough for any system to handle in real time. When you import your media, Clipchamp might offer to create optimized versions for editing. Always accept this option. It creates smaller, low-resolution proxy files for a smoother editing experience on the timeline. Don't worry, when you export your final project, Clipchamp will use the original high-quality files, so you won't lose any quality. Following these steps should dramatically reduce or eliminate buffering in Clipchamp. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these tips help you get back to creating amazing videos without any interruptions. If this guide was helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up, and for more useful tutorials and tech fixes, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.